So if you are looking for a smartphone with amazing features in affordable price, then you should definitely buy Samsung A51. Pros: fabulous camera, inbuilt fingerprint sensor, amazing full screen, great battery life, classy look. Cons: fingerprint sensor doesn't cover entirely. So far this is best before. Camera outdoor is best, see results. Charging also well. Sometimes, there is kind of lag while switching between apps, not so smooth performance. This is the only issue I experienced. On whole it's a good buy. Nothing to say about dislike. Because the working experience with this too good. Functions are awesome. Battery backup is too good. Overall this is a phone I was looking for. Thank you Samsung for introducing this model in market in purchasable price. Amazing phone. True value for money. Plus way 1. Great camera of course. Both rear and front can take great pictures. Images even better than OnePlus 7T. 2. Screen just beauty. 3. Dolby Atmos sound for your pony. Loved it. 4. Gi on top of Android 10. 5. Fingerprint reader works accurately most of the time. Wait 1. Battery takes more than 25 hours to get fully charged. 2. Processor, did see lags during scrolling the application. Not a big deal though. Amazing smartphone. This is very paisa vassal. The thing is, seller is good, no fraud or no scam, everything is fine. Amazing. AWSM smooth font, worthy. Looking very nice. Features are also good but fingerprint lit bit slow. Speaker sound is low. Camera quality is average. Amazing experience. All is good. Fingerprint scanner is a bit slow. Awesome mobile. A brilliant smartphone in medium range. From one of the most trusted companies. Great performance. No lag, no hang. Wonderful, fantastic. Sign of the horns mobile. It's really so good. An amazing build quality and also battery back is great, last longing for a day with heavy usage. 1. Fast charging enables 0 to 90% in 45 minutes. 2. Camera quality is amazing and macro mode is too good. 3. Performance is amazing. 4. No heating issues on heavy and long use. 5. Fingerprint sensor is pretty fast and accurate. 6. Face unlock is way too fast. 7. Display is crystal clear. Using from the 2nd of March 2020. Awesome experience with this phone. It is in budget and capture brilliant photos too with Samsung all-quad camera. I ordered this mobile for my sister. The color is pleasant and screen is really good. With update of OS, there are more camera features. I couldn't get the 6GB in this color because of low stock. I have to pay extra 3000 Indian rupees for 8GB one. Awesome Samsung A51. Fingerprint sensor on screen, camera quality is still telling about what is clarity and battery backup always good 4000 mAh. Good budget phone with reliable brand. Camera bap so nice. So far, I have no dislike about this phone. Fantastic phone and stylish look plus great features. Its camera is mind-blowing and the phone is extra fabulous in low range price. Must purchase it. Great product. I am writing this review after using the phone for over a month. I was using Redmi for the past 4-5 years and was skeptical about buying Samsung, which is more expensive compared to me. But after using Samsung, I realized what a premium phone should work and look like. Camera. There are a lot of features which you might already know, but what blows my mind is the clarity and size of image. The same image in other phone would be 20 megabytes and in this, it's less than 5 megabytes. And the colors are more natural. I do not like other phone which adds filters to face and reduces pores and puts on blush. Well, if you are a fan of it, you have an option to add face filters in this. NFC, so cool. Edge notification, love fingerprint and battery life, good. I love the perfect pitch black color in images and videos. Click link in description for more reviews.